To send it out, I put it out on social media. I've got my main places I put things, but I try to get it everywhere I can. And someday, I'm sure it'll rain on all of them. And then the community, I put it in the community, and I'll take pieces of it and stick it in there. And it becomes this like whirlwind of stuff out there. Like it's just, how much can you put out? And then leads. But I love this stuff, right? I'm not in pain right now. I'm enjoying helping you. And then I send it out to the leads. I email it to my list. Probably should do that. Why are you getting leads? Well, not to have a bunch of leads. You are getting leads to nurture and convert them. How do you do that? Hey, you're a lead because you have a problem that I said I could solve. Let me show you how I solve it. Let me show you the benefits of you solving it. Let me show you how safe and sound it is over here. Let me show you that I know what I'm doing. Let me show you that other people that were like you that had the problem, they fixed it too with this system that I have. You're trying to take those leads, and then you got to say, hey, buy my stuff, right? You're going to want this. And that's what you're doing with those leads. So by putting it in these other places, people are getting to know, like, and trust you. You build your brand, and you just keep doing that stuff. We find signal, we solve it, and we send it out. Signal, solve, send.